Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here on day 5 in Weston, Missouri. As you can see, this is our initial excavation here along the back of the home where the customers are wanting the room addition. We're kind of postponing that at the moment due to weather. We have everything shored up along the walls. Right now we're focusing inside underneath the existing crawl space. We have our 6x6s and hydraulic bottle jacks, and we are just getting the floor joists supported. What we're doing with the floor joists, some are going to be rotten, broken. We're going to get those taken out, get new ones installed. If there are any spots where a floor joist needs to be, we'll be installing new floor joists. And in 4 specific spots, we're going to be digging out a small space for a 2x2 concrete footing, and then install a permanent vertical 6x6 support beam to keep the floor joists properly supported. So, and then beyond that, we have piers that are going along the side of the home. A lot of the holes are pretty much ready to go. A lot of these we had finished earlier this week. The last few we're going to be getting installed on this side of the home. We just haven't started that yet as we've been focusing on the bigger digging, which was taking place right here. But everything's moving along just fine. It shouldn't take more than a full week next week at the most to finish up all the piers and get everything supported underneath the home. So that portion should be done, and then that would just leave us a 3rd week out here to get everything installed as far as the new footings go in this area, a new concrete floor, and then the foundation walls. So stay tuned for more updates. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. You can find all our pictures, videos from current and past jobs on our YouTube and Facebook channels. And you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.